Welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to share my recipe of jaggery rice. It is a traditional South Indian dish. In South India, this jaggery rice is prepared as an offering to the god on important festival days. Let's see the preparation. Take 1.5 cup of rice. Take any rice except basmati rice because it dominates the flavor, and then add half cup of green gram. For measuring purpose, take any cup but use the same cup for all the remaining ingredients, and then add 2 tablespoons of Bengal gram. Add all these 3 items in one container and wash it thoroughly. The next ingredient is jaggery. Take a small pan, add 2.5 cup of jaggery. For the proper measurement, crush the jaggery and soak the jaggery for 10 to 15 minutes using water. After adding the water, keep it aside. And then next step is boiling the rice. Take the washed rice, add 5 cup of water. For 2 cup of rice, add 5 cup of water and then add 1 teaspoon of salt. This is the important step. Adding salt gives only better taste to the dish. After that, add 1 teaspoon of ghee. I am using pressure pan for boiling the rice. Allow this to for up to 4 whistles. After completing 4 whistles, switch off the flame. Then next step is making jaggery syrup. Take the soaked jaggery and allow this to boil for 1 or 2 minutes. Gently press the jaggery until it completely melts. After completing the step, filter the syrup and add it into the boiled rice. This soaking and boiling method is for removing the impurities from the jaggery. If you are doing like this, you will get the pure jaggery, or otherwise you will find the dust or sand in the rice. This step removes all the impurities from the jaggery. You can see the dust in the filter. Okay, then allow this to boil for up to 10 minutes. After adding jaggery syrup, cook the rice for 10 minutes. While boiling the rice, give a constant stir in the pan like this. After completing the 10 minutes, add the milk. I am adding 1 cup of milk. This is for seasoning. 1 tablespoon of ghee, cashews and cardamom. Now the 10 minutes completed. In this stage, add milk and stir properly. After adding the milk, don't cook more than 3 minutes. The final step is seasoning. Heat the ghee and fry the cashews and cardamoms and then add it into the rice. After adding, mix it well. That's all about these steps. What is the special in my recipe is adding salt. Mostly people won't add salt in this dish, but adding salt only gives the excellent taste to this dish. The consistency should be like this. One thing, you can't consume this rice as a complete meal. You can consume this rice as a dessert. That's all. The jaggery rice is ready. I hope you all love this recipe. Please try this in your home and give your feedback about this recipe. I hope you all like this video. Thank you for watching my video. If you are liking this video, please give your support and subscribe my channel.